Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here goes the recipe of a fluffy homemade buns filled with chocolate chips. Combine 40 grams of fresh yeast with 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 200 milliliters of warm fresh milk in a bowl and mix. Add in 50 grams of softened butter, 2 eggs, don't forget to set one of the yolks aside, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar and continue mixing. Add approximately 4 cups of flour gradually while kneading. Dough should be soft to the touch. Set the dough aside for an hour to rise. Add in 1 cup of chocolate chips and knead briefly. Take pieces from the dough and roll into balls. Place the balls on a parchment-lined oven tray and brush with the set-aside egg yolk. Bake for 20 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. Chocolate chip buns are ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching.